Good afternoon. I'm Christine Weber with the Mentor Area Chamber of Commerce, and today we are here at CRT, and we are with Kristin. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Thanks for coming.
I love this location that we're sitting in right now.
Yeah.
This is where your employees typically come for lunch?
Yep, this is our cafeteria. This is where we have our all-employee meetings. It's really a multi-purpose space where people can come, relax, take a break, visit with their family, whatever the case may be.
Well, it's a beautiful area, and we'll be visiting this area for one of our chamber meetings, so watch for that on our Facebook and on our website for when we'll be here, and you guys will be presenting.
Yeah,
so that we're
very
excited. So can you tell us what CRT does exactly?
Yeah, absolutely. We're an FAA certified repair station. So we use manufacturing processes to repair gas turbine engine components that are both in the commercial aircraft industry, but also marine and industrial.
And you guys have been here since 1985?
1985. This is year 35 for us. Very
That's
exciting.
Wonderful. Oh,
yeah,
they
we'll celebrate in August. Yeah, we're doing a big celebration
Are
in
you?
August.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you and I were talking a little bit beforehand, and we were talking about the challenge that a lot of our manufacturers are facing with employment and new employees. So tell us how you guys are overcoming. You guys have been in the paper. You have some innovative ideas.
Yeah.
So tell our audience what you guys are doing to try to bridge that gap.
Great question. So, it's no secret, manufacturing doesn't necessarily have the best reputation, and a lot of our workers just across all industries they're getting ready to retire. So we need to reach that younger workforce who has never really heard good things about manufacturing. I think it's dark and dirty, and I think you can look around and see that's just not the case here at CRT. But we've started some innovative practices. One of them is our SOAR program, which stands for Student Opportunities in Aviation Repair. And we partner with local high schools to provide tours of the facility and help them understand the benefits of manufacturing careers. And then they have the opportunity to apply to our summer program. It's a 4-week program where they work in an entry-level role and have exposure to shadowing machinists, welders, non-destructive testers, and inspectors, so they can have a feel for what it's like to actually work here, but in a manufacturing setting as well.
What age group are you starting at?
Yeah, so the SOAR group starts with high school graduates, so they're coming right up. Some of these young men and women are graduating on Friday and coming here on Monday.
Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, that's right. I forgot that we have our early graduation program.
Yes.
But it's been a while for me, so.
Yeah.
So that's great.
Yeah, okay. It's really exciting. So we just launched the application process for that for this summer. We're taking applications through April 3rd, and we'll start putting those offers out end of April, and we'll be in here on May 9th for a signing day for the students who accept the position.
Oh, that's exciting.
It's very exciting. We did that event last year. It was so fun. The parents were excited. The kids were excited. They got CRT hats. It was a great event. And we're getting ready for that in May, and then they'll start in June. And we're going to do a second rotation in July because we've just got so much feedback that it was a great event, and they wanted more than 15 students. So this year, 30 students were willing to take on.
Wow.
Yeah. And at the end of the program, they like it and they did well. They'll have full-time employment here with us, and then they have exposure to all of our career paths and benefits that we offer. It's pretty cool.
How many employees do you have here?
We have about 450 full-time employees.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And do you have a part-time as well?
We do have some part-time and consultants as well. So if you add those in, we're right around 45. So in the next couple of months, we'll definitely be topping that 500 number.
About how many of those are on the floor, not
so
part of the administration?
75% of our workforce is on the production floor.
Oh, wow. Okay, so that's a lot of people.
Yeah, and we do run 3 shifts and weekends.
Oh, you do run 3 shifts?
Yeah, we do.
So you guys are constantly up and going?
Absolutely.
So you're a 24-hour facility?
We are a 24-hour facility.
Okay, well that's good to know. I mean,
Yeah.
so there is a lot of room to take people and
for sure.
for employment. So
40 positions open right now.
Oh,
just to give you
40?
40 positions,
Wow.
yeah.
That's a lot.
And everything from completely entry level, no experience, up to experts of the business.
That's
Yeah.
yeah.
The need is there.
I know. We believe me. We feel for all of you in manufacturing. We know, and actually everybody around our city and our county, retail, everybody's looking.
Absolutely. Well, the market is just so strong right now. The unemployment is so low.
Right.
It's hard, in this industry anyways, but it's hard right now to get people to come in, and we're doing okay.
That's good.
We're doing
That's
okay.
Good. So tell us about the newest program that you have. It was just in the paper a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, CRT University?
Yes.
Yeah, so exciting. So we were having some lengthy conversations with Lorain County Community College to talk about how we could partner together, create some synergy to bring, students through programs specifically for manufacturing, but also for us to be able to offer a great opportunity of receiving an associate's degree here on site. So this was our first semester. It's kind of our pilot group, but we had 10 students who are enrolled. They are students here at CRT University on Mondays and Fridays from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. They're in classes with instructors who are teaching on site, and they are CRT employees as well.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so tuition is fully paid by CRT. The time they're in class is paid by CRT, and the program completely should take them about 3.5 years to receive that associate's degree.
Okay. So then when they're in the class time, you gave the time, and then do they go out on the floor then after
Then they go
that?
back to work. Yep. Well, some of them, we have a couple who are first shift, so they go right back to work, and some of them have worked third
All
shift.
night,
They've
and
worked
now
all
they're
night when
going
they
to
come
school.
class.
Oh,
Yeah,
goodness.
yeah.
Well, that's a big commitment
Absolutely.
on your part and theirs as well.
Absolutely. And it's going really well. We're a couple weeks in. We're getting great feedback from them. A lot of interest from other employees in the facility. So we're going to head strong into the fall and have another cohort class starting.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
So what are some of the other benefits of working here at CRT?
Great question. Fully paid healthcare.
Oh, that's very unusual.
Fully paid healthcare, very unusual, absolutely. So we offer that. We have medical and dental and vision benefits. We have an on-site gym actually across the parking lot here. We have an EAP, so for any sort of mental health or financial counseling or legal counseling that you might need, we can partner you with somebody local to the community or who serves nationally, like web-based stuff as well. Oh gosh, our benefits are just really amazing when it comes to families. We're constantly throughout the year doing family events. We're already getting ready to plan our summer outings like kayaking events, hiking events, bike riding events, motorcycle events. So there's always something going on here for sure.
So you not only want the buy-in, obviously, of the employee, but you also want it from their families.
The whole family. Yeah, I mean, bring your whole self to work. We all come into work, and you have a family at home. You've got your mind on something else, and we want people to know that their mind can be at ease because they're fully taken care of.
Do you guys have a daycare facility?
We don't. That's something we're talking about.
Okay. Well, because I know some others have tried, and
Yeah.
I know it's a more difficult thing because of all the
It is.
rules and regulations
Yeah,
of operating the daycare itself.
Absolutely. We've got a lot of details to go through. It's something that we've been tossing around. It would be great to offer. I mean, obviously anybody would want something like that, but when you're talking about a manufacturing facility where there's so few women that work in STEM careers, I think that adding something like that would just really kind of elevate the ability or the interest in coming to work here as a woman.
So are you seeing more and more women apply?
We are, yeah. It's really funny. Last year when I started and I was giving tours, I had a couple people comment, "You don't see a lot of women around here." And when I'm out at job fairs, I have people come up to me all the time and say, "Is this a job for women?" And I always say it's absolutely a job for women. But one of the individuals that I walked through last year came through a couple weeks ago again, and he said, "Gosh, I see a lot more women around here." I said, "Good, John, you're right. We do have more women around here." And I think that it's just a testament to us, making sure that people understand that we are an inclusive facility. It's
Sure.
Manufacturing isn't just for men.
Right. No, that's wonderful. What about pets?
No pets.
Pets.
My dog
places
Hank would love to be here. It's just from a safety perspective.
Right.
You guys haven't been back on the production floor yet,
No.
but having a tiny dog run around back there might be a little bit of a problem.
Yeah, I know a couple of people, a couple of employers around here, they have the dogs running
It's
the
so
desk and-
fun, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it makes everybody feel good.
Absolutely.
The animals always do.
Fuzzy friends.
Well, maybe you could have a day where the Humane Society comes in or
It would be
something.
nice,
Just
something
to
cuddle.
Yeah, and then maybe have like a little adoption thing or something.
Yeah.
Maybe there's people who have an
Well, now
adoption
you've
day.
got the wheels turning up here. That'd be
Adoption
fun.
day at
That'd be very
CRT.
fun. Humane Society, reach out to me.
Do you want to take a look?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. All right, you lead the way.
Yeah, for sure. So this is the cafeteria. We did finish this in May. Opened it up. We can, take breaks here, take lunches here. We have our all-employee meetings. We have family-style events that take place in this wall. On the other side of the wall, we do have basically like a fully stocked industrial kitchen with an area that you can actually purchase snacks, salads, lunch. I forget my lunch all the time, and I definitely utilize it. Healthy options.
I love
as well.
these.
Aren't these cool? Yeah, we've got
Yes.
these great panels. In addition to the general sunlight, we brought that in to kind of create that outdoor feeling that we all need.
Yeah, we
in
don't
these
have as many
months.
sunny days here in Northern Ohio as we
many.
would like,
Not as
so this
many.
is a great
Yeah,
alternative.
so nice.
I like it.
So we'll head right through here. Hi. So this area, and I'll try to talk really loud, is one of our 3 different machining areas. In this area, we are actually working on aviation-specific parts. So we have components that have been actually on commercial jet aircraft in service for a certain amount of hours or times that they've been turned on and off. They come to us because the parts need to be fully inspected and determine if they're within specification from the original equipment manufacturer to remain safe in flight. Once we do that initial inspection, we're able to determine what kind of repairs need to take place, and usually those parts come through this machining department a time or two. So this is the main hallway. We've got a lot of things going on through here. Down this hallway we pass a bench department, a paint department, a non-destructive testing department. We've got x-ray behind us. We've got milling machines to the left. We've got weld. We've got our maintenance hallway. There's just a lot going on. So if you want to walk, I'll point some things out. All right, let's go. So this is our bench or repair department. We are using very similar skills to auto collision repair. So we're doing some light machining and hand blending to route the parts, clean the parts, etch the parts. There's these guys and women are super talented. They're really like artists. When you see the parts when they come in and when they leave, they look brand new. We can take a quick peek into our weld shop. So this is probably one of the cleanest weld shops that most people have seen for those who are tuning in. Our primary type of welding is TIG. We also do some accu-welding, which is robotic, and we also have electron beam welding, which is very sciencey. You can see we've always got a lot going on. So in this area, we are masking and preparing parts for treatment like thermal spray, painting, shot peen, or blast. Masking is one of our entry-level positions. We have a number of these roles currently available. It's it's a great way to learn our business, the parts, the processes, and get started on a career path here for you at CRT. If you started masking, there's a lot of different places you can get to. Many of our maskers move into thermal spray, which is located right behind there, or bench, which we just came from. We can do a quick spin through the clean line if you'd like. So there is a lot of opportunity for growth here. Absolutely, yeah, for sure. So we're constantly working with the HR department, but also the hiring managers, the employees, to identify career paths for employees. Where are you now? Where do you want to go? The skills that you need. Can we help you with? It's a little dark in here, but we will walk through the facility just to give you an idea of what we're doing here. It's another non-destructive testing department. We have 5 different types of non-destructive testing. This one in particular is called FPI, or fluorescent penetrant. So we're spraying a glow-in-the-dark material onto the parts, cleaning it off, adding a developer and drying it, and then looking at the part with a black light to identify those cracks, pits, scratches that we can't see with the naked eye in our inspection departments. This is an awesome career. If I wasn't doing what I was doing, I'd really consider this. So the part that you see hanging in here is actually the case for a GE90, which goes in a 747. It's the largest part we work on. We call it the hot tub.
They kind of do look like that, don't they?
we started. Having said that, we probably went through about a third of the building. There's a lot more facility left. I'd love for people to come in and I can give them the whole tour.
Sure, right. Well, it's
Yep.
really nice that you're open to doing that, because
Yeah.
I know a lot of people can't because sometimes it's a secret
Sure.
and government work and stuff
Yeah.
like that, so you're not able to do that.
Yeah.
But it's wonderful that you guys are able to share.
Yeah, we love showing people around.
What about your safety? I'm sure you are involved very heavily with the safety programs and stuff like that. So, how important that is that to you guys in the business?
Safety is of the utmost importance. I mean, obviously, we want our people to be safe. We need to be safe around the parts to make sure that everything is moving smoothly. We don't want to damage the parts. We don't want our people damaged. We do have, safety is all of our responsibility, but we also have some safety people that work in house, and we're constantly monitoring what's going on there.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much. Is there anything else you want us to know about?
What about
gosh,
Facebook page?
Oh,
Facebook page, web page.
Oh yeah, so I actually can tell you a number of different ways that you can get a hold of us. So we do have a Facebook page, it's Component Repair. You can visit crtjobs.com. That's where you can learn about all of our benefits, the things we've talked about today. You can call us at 440-255-1793, or you can text us, because who actually wants to pick up and use the phone anymore? You can text CRTJobs to 40458.
well, thank you again
you
so
so
much. This was
much.
wonderful, and I'm looking so forward to being back here
Yeah.
when you when we have our meeting.
We
here.
can't wait
So
to have you.
exciting. Thank you.
Thanks so much. Have a great day.
You too.